Creating a family emergency plan is essential for ensuring everyone knows what to do in a crisis, providing clear steps to stay safe and connected. Start by discussing potential emergencies with your family and agreeing on a meeting place outside your home and one outside your neighborhood. Make sure everyone knows how to contact each other, including using out-of-town contacts. Write down important phone numbers and keep them accessible. Practice your plan regularly to make sure everyone is familiar with their roles. Include plans for pets and make sure emergency supplies are easily accessible. By preparing in advance, you can reduce panic and ensure everyone's safety during an emergency. Packing an emergency kit involves gathering essential supplies that can sustain you and your family for several days, ensuring you are prepared for any situation. Start with basics like water, 1 gallon per person per day, non-perishable food, and a manual can opener. Include a first aid kit, medications, and hygiene items like soap and hand sanitizer. Pack flashlights, extra batteries, a whistle, and local maps. Don't forget important documents, cash, and a battery-powered or hand-crank radio. Add a change of clothes, sturdy shoes, and blankets. Regularly check and update your kit to ensure everything is in working order and not expired. Home safety tips for any crisis involve making sure your home is ready to withstand emergencies, keeping your family secure. Start by installing smoke and carbon monoxide detectors on every level of your home and testing them monthly. Secure heavy furniture and appliances to walls to prevent tipping during earthquakes. Keep fire extinguishers in key areas like the kitchen and garage, and ensure everyone knows how to use them. Store hazardous materials safely and keep an emergency ladder in upper-level rooms. Regularly check that windows and doors lock securely. Have a plan for shutting off utilities like gas, water, and electricity in case of leaks or damage. Preparing for natural disasters involves taking specific steps to protect your home and family, ensuring you can respond quickly and effectively. Start by understanding the types of disasters common in your area, such as earthquakes, hurricanes, or floods. Create an emergency kit with supplies to last at least 3 days. Secure heavy furniture and appliances to prevent tipping. Develop a family communication plan and designate safe places both inside and outside your home. Keep important documents in a waterproof, fireproof container. Regularly practice evacuation routes and safety drills. By preparing in advance, you can minimize the impact of natural disasters and keep your family safe. Evacuating safely involves planning and practicing how to leave your home quickly and efficiently during an emergency, ensuring everyone's safety. Start by knowing your evacuation routes and having multiple options in case one is blocked. Keep your vehicle's gas tank at least half full at all times. Pack an emergency kit that includes essential supplies and keep it accessible. Decide on a safe location to go to and inform all family members. Practice your evacuation plan regularly, including how to safely exit each room of your home. Keep your pets' carriers and supplies ready. By being prepared, you can evacuate quickly and safely when needed. Surviving urban chaos involves knowing how to escape and evade danger in crowded and potentially violent situations, ensuring your safety and that of your family. Start by staying aware of your surroundings and avoiding large crowds when possible. Identify multiple exits and escape routes from buildings and areas you frequent. Dress inconspicuously to avoid drawing attention. Carry essential items like identification, cash, and a small first aid kit. If you need to move through dangerous areas, do so quickly and confidently, blending in with the crowd. Have a pre-arranged meeting spot with family or friends. By staying prepared, you can navigate chaotic urban environments more safely. Surviving a city riot involves taking steps to protect yourself from harm and finding safe routes to escape, ensuring you stay out of danger. First, avoid areas where riots are likely to occur and monitor the news for updates. If caught in a riot, remain calm and move away from the crowd, keeping to the edges where it's safer. Avoid confrontations and don't engage with rioters or law enforcement. If you need to move, use side streets and alleys. If you're trapped in a building, stay inside and away from windows. Communicate your location to family or friends once you're safe. Choosing a safe house involves selecting a secure location that can protect you during urban emergencies, ensuring your safety and well-being. Start by looking for properties in low-crime areas with easy access to main roads for quick evacuation. Choose a location that is not easily visible from the street to avoid unwanted attention. Ensure the building has multiple exits and secure locks on all doors and windows. Look for homes with basements or reinforced rooms that can serve as shelters. Consider properties with self-sustaining features like gardens or rainwater collection systems. Regularly review and update your safe house plan based on current threats and needs. Navigating a collapsed infrastructure involves knowing how to survive and find resources when essential services are disrupted, ensuring you can sustain yourself and your family. Start by keeping an emergency kit with food, water, and medical supplies. Learn how to purify water from natural sources and identify safe places to find food, such as abandoned buildings or community shelters. Stay informed through battery-operated radios or community networks. Avoid dangerous areas and travel only when necessary. Plan routes that avoid main roads and heavily populated areas. By staying prepared and adaptable, you can navigate the challenges of a collapsed infrastructure more effectively.